Hey, it's me, and today we're going to do a rainbow pasta craft. This is a really fun one for the kids. You can make this with your kids or grandkids. All you need is some sort of pasta that's long like spaghetti or fettuccine. You're also going to need some food coloring. Get as many colors as you can. You have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now if you don't have all those colors, that's okay. You just use the colors that you have. And of course, you're going to need some sort of strainer to separate the colors. Colander would be best, but we are using a strainer that we got at the Dollar Tree. It's plastic. The first thing you're going to do is cook the pasta according to the package directions. Once the water starts boiling, add a scoop of pasta and then stir to make sure that the pasta doesn't stick together. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's al dente. Then drain the pasta and rinse it under cold water. This will stop the cooking process. Next, divide the pasta up into as many bowls as you have colors of food coloring. We have 7 different colors, so I'm going to divide it up into 7 different bowls. Now you don't have to use this much pasta. I'm making a large rainbow, so I'm using quite a bit of pasta here. But if you're just doing a small rainbow, you can just use a little bit of pasta in each bowl. Next, you're going to add 10 drops of food coloring to each bowl. Stir it around to make sure that the pasta is coated with the color. If it's not, you can always add a little bit more food coloring. We're going to let this sit while we prepare the next part of the craft. And we need to rinse the pasta again. But we want to rinse it in cold water. And we want to get all the excess food coloring out. To do that, we're going to use our strainer. First, I'm going to pour some cold water in the strainer. Next, we are going to put a scoop of pasta in the strainer. And then we are going to swirl it around to get all the food coloring out. What this does is it separates the colors. So watch this as I rinse this first batch of pasta. The water is now red because I rinsed all the excess food coloring out. Now I'm going to repeat this process with the rest of the pasta. After the pasta is finished rinsing, lay it out on a paper towel to dry. Now that the pasta is dry, we're ready to start putting the rainbow together. First, I'm going to arrange the colors in the order that I want them. Remember the colors of the rainbow? Roy G. Biv. That stands for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now I've arranged my colors in that order. I'm going to start in the middle and work my way out. With the red and blue in the middle, I think it looks nice. You can see I'm using 2 different shades of blue. That's okay. And there's yellow, green, orange, and violet on the ends. Now I am going to take some clear sticky tape and I'm going to put a piece over the top of the rainbow just to hold it together. I'm also going to put a piece of tape on the back. Now you could hang your rainbow up, or you could just put it on the wall. My daughter loves rainbows, so I know she's going to love this. That's how you make a rainbow pasta craft. Have fun making this with your kids or grandkids. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.